Hi guys, I'm Tanush and today I'm going to talk to you about the incredible Amazon Basics Magic Slate 15-inch LCD writing tablets. This amazing tablet features an LCD screen without glare, radiation and blue light for easy viewing and eye protection. It has pressure-sensitive technology that provides paper-like experience. It is ultra-thin, portable, lightweight and easy to carry. It comes with a stylus for smooth writing, a key for clearance and one to lock the screen. It is an eco-friendly product and it doesn't require paper or ink. You can use it as a fridge whiteboard, memo pad, writing pad, notice board or more. So go ahead and check out the Amazon Basics Magic Slate 15-inch LCD writing tablet today. Tablets are portable and versatile devices that can be used for various purposes such as entertainment, productivity, education and communication. When it comes to buying a tablet, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product for your needs. Operating system. There are three main operating systems for tablets: iOS, Android and Windows. Each operating system has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your needs and preferences to choose the one that suits you best. Size. Tablets come in various sizes from 7 inches to 13 inches or more. Consider the size that works best for your needs, such as portability, screen size and ease of use. Resolution. The resolution of the tablet's display determines the clarity and sharpness of the images and videos. Look for a high-resolution display for a better viewing experience. Performance. Consider the processor, RAM, and storage of the tablet to ensure smooth and fast performance. Look for a powerful processor with at least 2 GB of RAM and enough storage for your files and apps. Battery life. The battery life of the tablet determines how long you can use it without charging. Look for a tablet with long battery life, especially if you plan to use it on the go. Accessories. There are various accessories available for tablets such as cases, keyboards, styluses, screen protectors and stands. Consider which accessories you need to enhance your tablet experience. By taking these factors into account, you can make an informed purchase and ensure that you have the right tablet and accessories for your needs.